Pardon. A very welcome back to Northeast Karbi Life, the mirror of society. I am the news anchor, Mirlin Ingti Katharpi. Every day we try to bring you with the latest update. Likewise, we are here at the residence of Mrs. Susikula Hansepi, who is a renowned singer of our Karbi Anglong. But today we are not going to take the interview of Susikula Hansepi, but along with me, I have a very special personality who have came all the way from Delhi. So I would like him to introduce himself. So, sir, please do the honor.
Yeah. Kardom, Karbi Anglang, myself, Amrit Raj Borah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, he is the renowned designer all the way from Delhi. So, sir, since you are being part of the Fashion Week, Karbi Anglang Fashion Week 2023, and is it really your first time being part in this fashion?
No, this is my third season here. So, yes, and I feel really good to be a part of it.
So, sir, since you are here in Difu, Karbi Anglong, how do you feel, and what is the experience that you have been experienced after coming in Difu?
Karbi Anglang is my birthplace, Difu. And Difu got a very special place in my heart. And I love the people of Karbi Anglong. They are very creative. You find artists in each and every corner. So this place is like, it's a place of art and culture, which is like really rich. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, as far as I have my knowledge that you are also working in the field of designer, in the field of Bollywood designer. So, sir, how is your experience?
Great. The first project that I got was from Family Miss India, and I was on board for 5 years. So I designed for Miss World, Miss Universe, and Miss India, like Family Miss India, and Miss Northeast Diva for many years. Yeah, and I design red carpet wear for many celebrities. Yeah, so that's my forte. I'm into couture wear and I do red carpet gowns. Yeah, that's my first love.
That's really nice, sir. Sir, since Karbi Youth Festival Golden Jubilee Celebration 2024 is around the corner, so do you have any plan being part of that event?
Yeah, if I get a chance, of course I will come. And I really want to get into Karbi traditional wear because I love the textile, the rich textile. The one you're wearing, it's beautiful. Yeah. So, yeah.
So, sir, when we talk about our Karbi culture actually, so what do you like the most about our Karbi culture?
See, when you say culture, like everything, comes together. Art, music, food, everything. So I love everything about Karbi culture. Yeah, food comes first. Yeah, yes. Yeah.
So, sir, can you share your thoughts on fashion? Since when we talk about our society right now, the new generation is very much familiar right now. That youngsters are very much familiar with, they have come up and they are being participated in fashion week and many stuff, but in the field of fashion. So but the society thinks that being part of the fashion show, it doesn't help in the long future run. So is it a really good choice by choosing the field of fashion show for the future run, for the long run?
See, it depends where you're going and whom you're approaching. There are, I'm not saying like everyone is bad, but there are like good people, there are bad people. You get exploited also like many times. And things are changing. And I know few very good models from Karbi Anglong who are doing really good. And if you see kids, I mean like this, last night I was there at the event and I saw this tiny kids. Oh my God, the way they were walking, it's like, it was wow. Yeah, so things are changing, and if you have that quality in you, then why not? Yeah.
So, sir, can you tell us that participating in fashion show, what is the benefits and what do we get from it?
See, first of all, when you participate in a show, you get the exposure to show your collection, to show your talent, right? And event like this, I saw like many audience were there, and they were discussing about the fabric, the quality, the designs. So it helps designers, to sell their products, and in one go, like many people can see their talent, and when it comes to models, yeah, it's a good exposure for them also. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, if you were given a chance to showcase our Karbi attire outside our Karbi Anglong, how will you do?
I will say I'm a couture designer, and my silhouettes are very modern. And I will still keep it very, but I mean, like I'll mix it with. I will not lose the track. I'm like that. I will do traditional plus couture. Yeah.
So, sir, Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2023, by holding such a big program in our Karbi Anglong, what do we get from it?
Okay. See, first of all, it's a very great initiative. Like there's two girls, Ruplin Kropi and Malo. I mean, like it's a good step they're taking to expose the designers, new talents, models, and singers. They're like, it's not only fashion. So I saw like there were like kids who were performing, like good dancers, singers. So when it comes to designers, they are getting a very good chance to show their talent. The outfits that they are making, it's beautiful. And for the models, it's a great exposure for them too. And, see, I think you are a creative person and you're sitting at home. You're making beautiful pieces. But who's coming to see it? Right? No one is. I mean, like, yeah, there will be few people who will admire it, who will say it's beautiful. But how many people? Right? So this kind of event is giving them a market, a place, a platform, to make it big. Yeah.
So, sir, before I ask you the next question, I also want to know your views on this. But before that, I would like to say to the viewers that some of our people think that fashion is all about wearing short dress, and fashion is all about the negativity that is influencing the youngsters and the people of the society. But sir, can you share your thoughts on this? That is it really that the beauty, regarding the beauty pageant, modeling and runway show, all that in that field, is it really impacting on the youngsters? Is it really a negativity that the society is thinking that it's really a negative field, that it's not good for the future, for the career, for the long run? So is it really a bad choice for the youngsters and the people who are working in the field of models?
See, first of all, people who think like, in that way, they are negative. Like we see all this beautiful Indian girl representing India in Miss India, Miss World, Miss Universe. There they wear swimsuits, they wear bikinis. And when she's crowned as Miss India, Miss Universe, Miss World, we feel so proud. But a girl, if she is wearing a short skirt, why you call her bad names? Showing skin, that's not a bad thing. It's just skin. If you're thinking bad, that's in your mind. Clear it. That's my answer. When a girl wears a swimsuit and represents India, you feel proud. But when a girl walks down the street in a short dress, why you call her bad names? It's very simple. It's in your head. Yeah. If you come up with bad intentions, of course you are a bad person, not that girl. Yeah. And if you talk, I'm like, you're asking me about modeling. See, like we have beautiful girls, beautiful boys from Northeast, and they are making such big names. There are girls who represented India, who represented, India in international pageants. Peden from Sikkim. Then we have So we have so many beautiful Northeastern girls, who already represented India in international platform. Priyadarshini Chatterjee. Then we have Payden from Sikkim. So all these girls, they already made name, and I feel really proud, And there are many more, but I think society, like somewhere they're stopping them. They should not. Yeah.
So, sir, there are many upcoming designers and models. So, what suggestion you would like to give to them?
Okay. For the upcoming designers, I would say just create. Just create, keep creating. You should never stop creating, and and you'll go places because you belong to a place like Karbi Anglong. It's in your blood, art, culture, it's in your blood. So never stop. And for models, it's all about the confidence, attitude, and never lose hope. Yeah.
So, sir, since you have came here in Difu, if you went back to Delhi, what will you tell about our Karbi culture and people when you went back to Delhi? If you are given a chance to talk about our Karbi people and culture, if you went back to Delhi, what will you say?
See, when it comes to Karbi Anglong, I always tell my friends, like I already brought my friend here and I showed him our culture, and I took him to the museum, and he was shocked to see the diversity that we have here. It's so beautiful, it's so unique. And my friends, like whenever I go, I carry my Karbi shawl and jacket, they love our rich textile. And when it comes to Karbi food, I host dinner, and I always prepare two Karbi cuisines, Hansarong pork and pork with till, and they love it. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, if I ask you one thing, what you really like most about a Karbi Anglong? One thing, what you really like about a Karbi Anglong?
People here, they born with golden heart. So, and of course, art and culture. Yeah. Yeah.
So, sir, how's the hospitality?
Here.
Yes.
It's see, when people are nice, you don't ask for good hospitality, right? Now you don't have to expect. It comes naturally. Yes. So it's like it's a home. Yeah, I'll not say it's a place. For me, it's a home. Yeah.
So, sir, as we have come to the end of our short interview, thank you so much for giving your precious time, and I wish you a very good luck for your future father ahead. And my dear viewers, that was it for today's short interaction with our renowned designer who have come all the way from Delhi. So till then, thank you so much, Kardom.